I'm coming from New York in the Bronx. I work at Jacobi Medical Center. I'm one of the resident physicians there that works with Dr. Dixon, and I'm here at KPH today. So we're here to do some medical training with the A&E doctors here. We're teaching them how to do ultrasound guided IVs. So essentially, one of the key important roles of an emergency doctor is getting access, vascular access. You're not able to give medications, any fluids, or any blood products unless you have vascular access. In certain populations, that can be very challenging. And we have the ultrasound tool to help us gain access and to expedite that process. So we're here to work with the emergency medicine doctors and other departments and train them on how to do this.
So I'm Dr. Eiben. I'm one of the third-year residents at Jacobi Montefiore Medical Center. We work in the Bronx with Dr. Dixon at Jacobi Medical Center. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a peripheral IV access training. We're going to be using ultrasounds to actually improve overall success rates of peripheral IV placement.
All right, so yesterday you participated in an ultrasound conference up in near Kingston.
Yeah.
What was that experience like?
Oh, it was great. It was great. It was really nice to be able to see a bunch of providers be able to come in from all over the island,
right,
and actually be able to just see what sort of knowledge is out there and be able to just expand upon the actual ultrasounds understanding and everything, and just really try to fuel that interest throughout the islands.
Today is a special day. Dr. Kimm here took on an initiative after visiting Jamaica a year ago and teaching ultrasound to the physicians on the island. He decided to start a program to teaching physicians IV access with the use of ultrasound in an effort to decrease the amount of surgical intervention you need to gain IV access. So that's why we're here for a minimally invasive approach to attaining IV access.
What are your impressions that you've seen here at Kingston so far?
And it's actually pretty amazing, the setup,
right,
and what they have already. And it's also interesting to learn, the limitations that they have as well.
Right.
And I was discussing with the physician here how often they come across very difficult IV access, and it sounds very frequent. They already have the ultrasound machine here, the tools here. They just need the skill set, and we're here to just kind of bridge that gap. And hopefully they can learn things and start using in practice starting today. And I think we can make a huge change just with the amount of time we spend today and tomorrow.
It appears to me that you have developed a passion for Jamaica.
Oh, absolutely.
Tell us what's going on. How did that come to be?
How did that come to be? I love Jamaica. Since the first time I came here last year with Dr. Dixon, I love the food, I love the people. People here are so passionate and kind and welcoming, and I don't feel that everywhere I go. And the physicians we work with through the ultrasound conference, they're so grateful and so eager to learn, and it's just a good feeling for me to be able to give back to them.
Dr. Eiben, you're now inside of the Accident and Emergency Department of the Kingston Public Hospital.
Yep.
Tell me about your impressions so far.
Yeah, so I think it's great so far. Our dedicated staff, been very welcoming. We're really excited to actually get going and start with the teaching.
I just want to thank Jacobi and Montefiore, for giving me the opportunity and time to be here.
Just want to thank Jacobi Montefiore Emergency Medicine Department, our program, Kimm and I, for giving us the experience to come down here, giving us the skills to teach everybody.